Hi everyone, welcome back on the channel. Hope all of you out there are doing awesome and that you're having a wonderful summer and just having an awesome time on your bikes and just riding safe, of course. So, to the point, I've actually decided that when we hit 1,000 subs on this channel, I will buy a Acrapovic system, specifically the carbon system for my Yamaha MT-09 SP. So yeah, just because I feel like it really needs it, but I actually decided first that I will wait, but just to make it a little bit interesting, yeah, we're gonna do it like this. So when we hit 1,000 subs, I will buy the system. I will be doing a video on when we are installing it and before and after, and you know, all that good stuff. So yes, just gonna showcase the bike here for those that haven't seen it. The latest thing that I've done is the stickers on the front and rear wheel. As you can see here, a video on that will be coming up in the near future. And of course the radiator guard, the SP front windscreen, stickers on the back here. Really happy with those. In the I will link the stickers in the video that is coming in the future, and of course the styling tail tidy from Yamaha. Really happy with this one. I really am. Highly recommend it. So yeah, but as I said, yeah, mention it once again. As fast as we hit 1,000 subs on the channel, I will buy the Acrapovic Carbon full system for this bike. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.